Now I'll show you how to add proxies. I'll open the proxy file and copy the proxy list. Back in the software, go to Proxy Manager, Static Proxy Manager. Delete old proxies if needed, click Add Proxy. Paste your proxy list, and click Add. Next, I'll assign these 50 proxies to the 50 accounts. Select all proxies. Assign proxy. Choose account category. Assign one proxy per account. Now you can check the proxy column or log in to verify the IPs have changed. Visit myip.com, you'll see each browser tab shows a different IP address. That wraps up our guide on how to add accounts and assign proxies using the Facebook management tool. If you need any help, visit my website or contact me via Telegram at Chung or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.